If you search how to buy shares of Amplifon, this quick guide will walk you through the practical steps. Amplifon is a hearing care company listed on CBOE EU as AMP.MI, and this video is educational only, not financial advice. You need a broker to buy shares, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search box and type the ticker AMP.MI to find the company listing. Make sure you select the correct Amplifon share from the search results. On the Amplifon asset page, you can read basic company information and view the price chart. Confirm that the product details match Amplifon before proceeding. Tap the buy button, enter the amount you want to invest, then review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until it reopens. If you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before allowing confirmation. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the order is executed. Check the description for a link to eToro if you want to follow the same steps shown here.